Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video, I will show you how you can design venue templates for the Event Calendar plugin by using the Single Page Builder Pro plugin. For this, go to the Events page template under the Event Add-on submenu and add a new template. Select the venue page to design venue templates and other options according to your preferences and publish it. Now go to Events Venues under the Events submenu and view the venue. You can select any layout to design venue pages. Thanks for watching this video.